Did you just fart?
Oh my God! Did we miss the scene in the bar where he does the flatulence noises into the cup?
We missed that. They were the worst flatulent noises into a cup I've ever heard.
I don't understand. He had to explain what it was in the movie because it wasn't working. He kept going like, "Do you know what this is? Do you know what this is?" It was so bad. He's like, "I'm doing diarrhea noises into my cup." If you have to tell me what you're doing, you're not doing it very well, you idiot.
That's so funny.
Sorry.
I didn't even write that down because it was so pathetic. You're just like, oh my God. It's like, I mean, it wasn't even like how hard is it to into a cup? What is the cup didn't even do anything. Just make the fire, what is this? What is that? Oh, you should check your pants. Oh, so many of them. Oh, you must have had cherries last night.
What?
I've been eating a lot of cherries, and man, it's a disaster in the toilet bowl.